Good day, guys, being here. Today we're going to quickly try this one. Okay, so it's basically diamond shape panels, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So actually, previously we did, I think we did this. So it would be very similar. So actually, we can reuse this panel. So let's just edit this family. Okay, so because the shape is very similar, so as you can see, it's the frame, this is the panel, so this one can be rotated, so we can just make it fixed, or just use a 0 degree. And also to make it flat, we just need to remove these curved lines. And so maybe even we don't need to cut that corner. So instead of have all these lines, points, we can, let me just delete this and also delete this. We only need this shape, the basic shape. So delete everything, and then we can just create a panel. Okay, so give it a thickness, maybe 50, maybe 20. So yeah, and then I'll change this back to 0 degree, and I think that's pretty much it. And then let's just adjust that. So, and also instead of, so previously we used, I think what's this one? We used X. So that's offset. Yeah, I'll just keep it. We can change it in the project or in the conceptual mass. So this is it now. I'm going to, so maybe I'll just use this one as well. I'll just delete this. Let me just change the graphic so like the computer can run a little bit faster. So just make sure that's no shadow, so no smooth line, because these will make it look nice, but slow down the computer. Okay, so let's start. So this is conceptual mass. So if you start from scratch, so you go here, so new conceptual mass, or also family. On the family, there's, sorry, wrong one. You can also start from a family and use this mass template. So once you start, so this is it. And now let's have a look at this image. So basically, it's very simple shape. Okay, so it's you can use revolve if you use generic create by generic model, it will be revolve. But because we are in mass, there's no option for you to choose. We just need to create those lines. So we're going to use this reference work plan as our work plan. So reference plan here. So you can also use this one. It's the same. Okay, so let's just use this one. So once you select this reference line, so your current work plan will be set onto reference plan, and we can just start to draw the lines. So first, I want to draw a reference line, use draw our work plan. So, and then you'll see this is the current work plan. So I'll draw one. So this will be the axis line. There's a center of this model. And then the next one is, let's have a look again. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Okay, go straight up, a little bit curve, roughly 45 degree. Let's just stop at the top. Okay, so and then a little bit horizontal. So I'm not sure the radius, maybe 40 meter. That should be enough. Go up, for example, 10 meter or 15 meter. A little bit 45 degree. So you can just draw something like this and a little bit horizontal, and that's it. Okay, so and then we can just curve this. So use a fillet arc, and then we can looks like we need to set work plan first and then try it. Reference sorry, I forgot to pick a reference. Yeah, fillet arc, and then you can type a radius first. So it will be, I'm not sure, 5 meters maybe. Yeah, that's it. So now I think this will be it, and then let's try and see if we can create a form. And this is it. So now we're going to, okay, so it seems we have some issue because, so see this surface and this surface, they are all separate surface. So if we select all of them, create, let's ignore that top bit. So if we use divided surface, you'll see, it's not continuous. So if I change to 45 degrees, so it will, yeah, it's, no, it's all separate. So we can't do it this way. That's fine. So let's delete everything we have. So leave this reference line because we are going to use this shape. Okay, so now to make it continuous, so what we need to do is, let me just select this one again. So set rule plan onto this and then reference. So we can use spline. Okay, spline. So if you draw a spline, it will be continuous. So start from this point and go up to here. I think we need one more point, but that's fine. We can do it first. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so now escape and finish this spline. So this is spline. So tab select. So you will see. Maybe we need to add one more point here to make this bit vertical. So let's just select this spline. Oh hell, what's going on here? Yeah, try to select it. Use tab. Okay, so add control, add onto this. So you'll see this gray color line. These are the control where the control point is. So this one point here. So okay, so click on this gray line. So you will have another control point in the middle. So we just need to move this part straight up to close to this point, and then this will become almost straight. And then add another one. So add another one, and then drag this down to roughly here. Still not quite good. Add another one, and drag this down to here. Okay, so still not perfect, but yeah, you can just add more. So until you are happy with. Okay, so yeah, maybe add another one here, and then that's close enough. Okay, so now let's go select this reference line together with, maybe I'll just select that horizontal one as well and pick this one, create a form. Okay, so now you will see, just ignore the top bit. So this surface now it become one piece, right? And then we can divide the surface and type in 45 degree. Ooh, what's going on here? So let's try. So I'm going to increase. Oh, sorry. I'm going to use maximum spacing. Okay, so maximum spacing, and with a number, maybe 2 meter, maybe, and 2 meter. So I'll see what happens. Okay, so this is interesting. So this is a pattern. Not we're looking for. We're looking for more formula, like very similar pattern, very similar size for each panel, right? So what we need to do is, don't worry about this. Go back to that spline. So let's just maybe I'll H and select this spline. Try to select this spline. Okay, so still not this one. So I'll HH this one as well, and this is it. So now I'm HI, so only in this view, so only this spline. So I noticed that these points are close to each other. These control points are close to each other, and these they're only there's no control point here. So what we are going to do is add control points. Okay, so add add, 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 and more, and until all the distance between these points. So this one looks like I would, we can, oh hell, so we can just still try to equal the the distance between them. So see, and now if I type HR, and you will see it start to change. So you will see it's actually quite okay in this part. So now we can, let me just adjust this a little bit. So 15 degree, negative 15, and see what happens. Yeah, I think that's more a diamond shape, right? Diamond shape. And yeah, still this part we need more control points. So let's go select that. Maybe I'll just HH everything again. So HH and HH, and then so I'll just add more control points here. So and also actually still these the distance between these points are slightly smaller than this. Maybe we need to add more. And oops, almost finished. Just maybe to save some time, only look at this part. Okay, so now HR. Yeah, I think it's quite good, but still, I think it's probably, oh, okay, I know what's going on here. Because when we first add control points, we move the point right onto another point. So I think that's why. Okay, so let's control Z, go back here. So there's two, I think there's double point overlapping here. So maybe let's just remove the point. Yeah, so you will see. It didn't change much, which means that's already a point there. Okay, so that's it. So now let's add a little bit more on this top upper part, and maybe that's it. Okay, so save some comment. HR. Yeah, now that's better. Almost quite good. So now we can select this face, and if I change this to the previous one, the panel we did, and I think it will, so this is what we're looking for. So it's basically all the panels should be the similar size. Yeah, okay, so this is, okay, sorry, kids, I'll just pause, and kids are home. Okay, let's quickly finish this. Let's hang on. Okay, so these families are not updated, so I just need to go here and load overwrite. Yep, and that's it. So hang on. It seems okay. So these are the default angles. So we just need to select all, change them to, oh, so wrong one, 0 degree. And so you can see that the pattern at the top is still not quite right. So this is because we didn't finish all the control points. If we add more points, it will be more. It will look much better. So this is it, and also we can adjust the distance between. So currently it's 1 meter. If we change it, for example, change it to 300, and then so the gap between the panel and the frame will be reduced. And also you can also change the size of the frame. Oh, maybe we need a little bit more gap. But anyway, so that this is it. And if you want to, yeah, you can find this family. So it's probably a week's. We did it a week ago, so you can find that family and have a look. So basically, it's the same. So that's it. So and okay, so it seems there's a little. I'm not sure what that is. Little dot there, so you can also add into your family. So basically, I think you can place. What I will do is I'll place a point somewhere on the line, and then create something from that point. So you can adjust this to. So use normalized curve pattern. So you don't use do not use a segment length. So use a normalized curved pattern. So which means it will be doesn't matter what the pattern, the size of the pattern. So it will always stay relatively in the same spot. So for example, if you type in 0.6, it will be there. Maybe 0.7. Yeah. So a point there, and then you can place something. So for example, I'll just draw a circle quickly onto this horizontal work plane of this point, and then just do a circle, little circle. I'm not sure how big it needs to be, but and then I'll just create a little solid there. Okay, and then just do it again. I'll see it to see if I can just place a new pick new host. I'll see if it works or not. Yeah, it works. And then this one will be so the previous one is 0.7, so this one can be go 0.3, so it will be close. And then maybe I'll change this one to 500. Yeah, so roughly maybe these can be less, just a little shape. We don't need to have it very big, very thick. Now let's just load this into this conceptual mass and see what happens. It's there, but it's on the other side. That's okay. So we can just 0.50 just and load it back. So this time it should work. And then yeah, it seems they're too big, but yeah, you know how to change it, right? Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. I don't think I need to. Do I need to? Yeah, maybe I'll upload this family for you to have a play. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.